All right, hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to look at Chapter 1, Section 2.2. Today's lesson is going to focus a little bit more on the changing climate of the world around this time period, which then led to domestication and settling down of early humans. Something important and kind of the key point from this lesson is going to be that domestication paved the way for a lot of advancements for early humans. So, about 14,000 years ago, the Earth grew warmer and the ice sheets melted. These changes led to raised sea levels. They created freshwater lakes and they also increased the global rainfall. Because of these things, land bridges disappeared and the coastal waters that formed were full of fish. Also, because of this, animals either had to move, adapt, or they died as their habitats changed. All of those environmental changes also transformed the ways that hunter-gatherers lived in some areas of the world. The warmer, wetter climate encouraged the development of forest and grassland, and it also resulted in longer growing seasons. The conditions also proved to be perfect for the growth of different types of grasses. In time, people learned to raise other plants and animals, which made them useful for humans. This is called domestication. We'll use the definition raising plants and animals. And this was a really important advancement because it allowed for people to learn how to farm. Hunter gatherers had grown plants to increase their productivity for a lot of years. However, the improved climate now made growing those plants even easier than it was before. Hunter-gatherers quickly learned that they could plant seeds in one place and then move around to other places, possibly following packs of animals or things. And then when they returned a year later, they could harvest the crops to eat. They also learned that some foods, like grains from cereals, such as wheat and barley, could be stored to feed people and animals year round. So at the same time that this was happening, humans learned to tame animals. Fun fact, dogs were some of the earliest domesticated animals. All around the world, wild wolf pups were caught and then bred for hunting and protection. Other animals were domesticated for food, like sheep, goats, pigs, and cattle. They provided meat, milk, and wool, but some of them also were able to carry heavy loads and pull carts, which made the lives of early humans that much easier. Although most humans at this point in history continued to be nomadic, they continued to move around from place to place without settling down. Some people did decide to settle down into areas that provided abundant resources. For example, a lot of people decided to move and settle down around estuaries. An estuary is a place where the river and the ocean meet with land there as well. This combination of fresh and salt water leads to a year round supply of food. And as more and more people began to permanently settle down in places, it led to changes that allowed humans to kind of reach the next step of their advancement. So, two main takeaways I want you to remember from this section. The warmer climate allowed people to start to plant more food, and domestication led to people settling in one place. Thanks for listening, guys. Go ahead and check back in Canvas and see what your next job is. Bye.